Now what we will do? Let us calculate the voltage gain. So for that, so the total collector voltage, the total collector voltage, that is IC. So from which figure you have to take in the sense, let me take something like now consider this figure actually. I hope the figure is visible for you. Okay. Now in this, we need to find out the total collector current, that is we have to collect this. So for that, what you'll do, apply the KVL at VCC. Apply. So when you apply the KVL in the VCC, so what you'll get just from this, you have to find out the VCEL. You have to find out the VCE. So what is the VCE? To calculate the sense this current under this current, right? So now I can write as like this: VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC. We'll get this. Next, what you'll do again, what is the IC? That is small IC. That is nothing but a small singular component. As we know this very clearly, we know this one. What is this? This is simple. I can say small IC will be is equal to capital IC plus small I small c. So there is a three different terms are there. So that should be replaced by this. So what will get now? VCC minus IC, that is capital IC is a DC component, plus the small signal component is small I small c. Small I small c into RC. And now just to expand this expression, we'll get us VCC minus ICRC, IC, then RC minus small I C, then RC. So I'll get us, now we can think, what is this? VC, IC, RC, VCC minus IC, RC. It is simple, it's nothing but here VCE. This is VCE minus ICRC. So this will be capital VCE. This I explain. Where this capital VCE is nothing but which one? This one. Capital VCE is nothing but is a DC bias voltage. Is a DC bias voltage. DC bias voltage at the collector terminal. This at the collector terminal, the signal voltage is given by how we can take the signal voltage. This only a small VCEC. This is nothing but signal voltage. How we can write the signal voltage means? So let me write a signal voltage B This is a signal voltage is equal to minus ICRC, where this minus represents the signal, the output signal will be a phase shift of 180 degree. This minus actually, because here you can see plus and minus, here also plus and minus. Now VBE, we need a VBE. Which one VBE? This signal actually we need. That is nothing but minus IC RC. As we know, minus, what is the small IC? It is already we know. That is simple. I can say where IC is equal to, there's a relation is that I hope you remember. IC is equal to GM VBE. We are working on small signal, so always take the small signal parameters only. That is minus GM VBE into RC. Then what will be now this? Minus GM R C into B B E. Now we can see this parameter. Which parameter? This parameter is C. What is this? The GMRC? You can say. So now let me go. The voltage gain. What is voltage gain actually? The voltage gain will be represented as AV, as we know. Voltage gain, it is AV. That is equal to output by input. Now you think normally we'll say in DC AV is equal to V naught by VI. Correct. But here I can say, or I can say output is like actually the output is what? It is a voltage of BCE, correct? Divided by the input is nothing but what? BBE, small signal. C is a small signal voltage gain actually. So is equal to, now let us write what is VCE? Output of the VCE. VCE is already we know, that is nothing but minus GM into RC. See, this one is nothing but VCE actually, right? Into VBE divided by VBE. This is not, so this is sorry, this is not a VBE, this is collector to emitter voltage, yes, because we have to, yes, CCE, yes. So now we got, now VBE will get cancelled. Now we'll get minus GM RC. So this is nothing but AB. So very simple. The voltage gain is nothing but now AV is equal to minus GM into RC. That is a product of. Now from this I can say, therefore I can say that transconductance, that is GM, is directly proportional to collector current. Directly proportional to collector bias current, I can say. Directly proportional to bias current. Now what you do? Substitute GM value. We know the GM. So GM is equal to IC by VT here, because already we know this in the equation this. So we'll get us AV is equal to minus IC by VT into RC. So this will be my voltage gain. So I think from this we might have understood how to calculate the voltage gain for a small signal model.